Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, I have good news and bad news. Bad news is that I lost today, but good news is that I started a new FTMO challenge. Um, and yeah, this is what I've been up to. So I took my first L today, risking £100, and I explain it now in this video. So I can uh do some bits over here. Explain it afterwards. I think I can take this out. Okay, anyway, yeah. So as I came in the market, got got to look at the 1 week. Got to look at the 1 week candle. The weekly candle is a bit it's a bit like somewhere here. So I thought took out this middle line liquidity, so it could go all the way up. So I thought on a weekly basis, it's kind of bullish. Right. Again on daily candle. So yesterday we saw a good high up, took out all-time highs as well, and um, at the beginning it was looking kind of green. So that's why I was looking to take a long today. I'll explain it later. Um, didn't give me much on the daily candle, but on the 4 hour, it was this move that I drew out the equilibrium. I think it took out even the low of that, so it's looking not really good. So yeah, over here, I drew out the equilibrium, and uh, from there, um, I drew out another equilibrium over here. Let me look at 15. Uh, Here it is. That's the equilibrium of the February gap near the block. So I was thinking off the market open. We kind of saw where did I enter? Entered off. Where did I enter? Enter off here, innit? Enter off here. So after market open, um, I was like, okay, so it took out this low, pretty solid. Took out this high, again, pretty solid. And then I was seeing this though. I was seeing this OT, and the fact that this candle did not react pretty well to the OTE gave me a really strong long bias, knowing the fact that it just broke all-time high. And I know what the market does when it just breaks all-time high, that people will get euphoric. Headlines will say, "Oh, I broke all-time high again, it's looking bullish," and that. So I was like, yeah, if I get in here and I put my stop loss uh under this liquidity, that remember my strategy is always put my stop loss lowered at the second liquidity. So this is the first liquidity and this is second liquidity. So rested here. I think yeah, just a bit below that because my lines was there. Yeah, it's just a bit below that. And yeah, that's how it got wrecked. But the fact that today was not today, oh, relax. Um, was I being caught right? Today was not really bullish because we did not have a high time frame confirmation. So market is moving sideways. I can leave it there. Yeah, tonight was not really bullish. So market was kind of moving sideways. And when market is moving sideways, reaching for liquidity afterwards. And right here, it was a perfect example of consolidation. but then price chose to go down. I was literally betting on it to move all the way up. Um, but when I saw, not when I saw, but when price came down here, I already knew that it's reaching for liquidity. This is the first equilibrium. Took out this liquidity as well. Where is it heading? All the way down here. And it would have been really a lot better if I went for sales over here. But it is what it is, I think. I think my mistake is that I ignored this triple bottom now. Triple bottom ignored around here, and yeah, just thought that biggest mistake today. Thought that bullish trend was confirmed. So yeah, I mean mistakes happened along the line. I mean in back testing, I really don't. I never make those mistakes. Um, and so yeah, that's why I lost today. I'm trying to make the video quick so I can go back in my own time and actually, analyze. But yeah, that's probably it for today. See you guys in the next one. Maybe next week. Peace.